we're about to head over to one of Southwest Michigan's finest vineyards to record one of our songs, Gossip by Måneskin. And we're really excited to be recording this one there, so we hope you'll be able to stay tuned for it.
Vineyard chicks, music, homesteading, and more.
Domaine Berrien Cellars is situated on an 80-acre farm located in Berrien County, Michigan, in the heart of scenic Lake Michigan shore wine country. Domaine Berrien Cellars is an all-estate winery, which means that every product is made only from grapes grown right here in their vineyards. This unique site is located on one of the highest points in Berrien County, within the Lake Michigan Shore AVA growing region, providing what can be the ideal grape growing climate. The vineyards are trellised in a north-south direction to provide even sunlight on both sides of the vines, and it holds the sun's heat to allow better ripening of the grapes, and that's the right way in how we grow our grapes too. The oldest vines were planted in 1992, and they have been adding more grapevines every year. They currently grow 21 different varieties of wine grapes on this beautiful 40-acre vineyard.
So we're here at Domaine Berrien and we're going to be recording our song now.
Now here's a sneak peek at the song we'll be releasing on Friday. Now keep in mind this is just the audio recorded from the cell phone, so stay tuned, and once released we'll link it right here.
This is the American drink, so sip. The gossip drink till you choke. Sip the gossip, burn down your throat tonight. Iconic, you are just like them all. Don't act like you don't know.
Join us every Monday night at 9 p.m. for our live music and fun. And please check out our amazing members in the description below.